I'm going on a date. It's a super exciting day, and I'm also very excited because I'm exploring after such a long month, obviously after a couple of months since we start this 2021. As usual, like everybody is busy, and I was also super busy with my new stuff, new year, new beginning, and everything is new and fresh. And especially, yes, put your health first in 2021 and take care of your health. All right, besides everything, it's gonna be a very exciting day, and I want all of you to stay with me until we finish the video. And it's already 10 a.m. here. I finished my yoga, meditation, and obviously healthy breakfast, and update with all my emails and stuff. And yes, I'm just gonna get ready and we will explore the day. There you go. There you are. So I'm all ready. I just put on my sunscreen all over and my favorite watch, because every time I go out I always need a watch, even though I have my phone. Yeah, so I got this jumpsuit. Well, yes, so I got this jumpsuit, and obviously, especially in Australia, if you're going out, you need plenty of sunscreen. So I put on my sunscreen, and now all I need to do is, even I don't need to do anything with my hair, because since I shortened my hair, it's just so easy, because at my work I can't do anything with my hair. All I need to do is tie it up or make a bun, so it's better you don't have long hair. Alrighty, so I just need to put my lens, need to find a lighter. Yep, so I got it. There you go. Wow, it's quite easy today. Maybe my lens is impressed by you all. Okay. So those who are not using lens, why I'm just looking and trying to get some light is there are a few numbers, like 1 2 3 serial number. So all I need to do is just need those number in sequence. Yeah. There you go. Super easy. So I'm all set, and I'm just taking this tiny bag, and in my bag what I have is obviously this sunscreen and my wallet and this AirPod and this Dettol hand sanitizer, and obviously my lip balm and few coins, and yes, my sunglass, it's just outside. Oh yeah, these are very nice. I just put it in my bag because last time I went out with my friend to a perfume to Maya Center, where like perfume store, and you know, where we can test lots of perfume, and we love to try that. Well, I love to try that. Like, I love to try every perfume, and then I like to put that in my bag, so every time I open my bag it smells really good. And I'll show you how many of them I had, because I also bought my perfume in that store, so basically we are allowed to do that because we're paying. Oh, plenty. It smells so good. So every time, like, just in case if you go to a perfume store, make sure you just spray, and then put this in your bag, and you'll just love that smell. It's not a nice advice, but still it's nice. So I'm just taking everything back to my bag, into my bag, putting everything back, and my nice little tiny perfume. I'm not gonna take it. And I also need to take my hand cream. Yeah. There you go. So this is my hand cream, Body Shop. I just love this. And I also do have my Body Shop body lotion too. I love the product. So that's it. So I'm all set, nothing complicated, just got a jumpsuit and my bag, and I'm just gonna put on my canvas shoes and take my sunglasses and obviously the camera. Alright guys, and let's go out with me. Yeah, it's very crowded, and I feel like it's kind of like disrespect if I carry my camera on my hand. But I'm not intending to video them. I'm just taking my own time, so it should be fine. So I'm just gonna get in. one of my favorite cafes so far. Like in Brisbane, that was my favorite cafe, so I often come to this cafe, which is a French cafe. All the staff agreed in French language, so which is super cool. And I couldn't speak a lot inside the cafe because there were plenty of customers and it was a bit uncomfortable. But yes, I had a really good time, but unfortunately my date, he hasn't shown up, so which is a bit sad. Anyways, I had a really good time though. So I had 2 macaroni and one of my favorite tea, orange teapot. And yes, and all the staff are really friendly. They're really nice. They're very young, talented, and I would recommend you to go to that cafe, Live on Shore, I guess that's how it's pronounced. So if you're in Brisbane, you should definitely go to that cafe and try almond croissant. That is one of the most amazing and one of my favorite, but I haven't had it today because I wanted to try something else. Alright, okay, so I just need to go around and explore more, and yep, and I'll take you along. Hello. Ta thấy nghe gì đấy từ là Google lên mình đó. Cái phần là flop chả xíu. Ta date đi suốt là na, ta nghĩ last là parte một là cái gì đó. Parte một là sao million mà sao mình nên hả? An unexpected date checklist heading. tại vì nó quý giờ thằng sinh cà phê là gu lê chìm thì tiếng tông của chúng ta lại là tiếng tông của chị chị là vấn đề mình đi lên mà sẽ ta tính rất sớm có mình đi ta khai gì à anh em tan đi rồi đấy ta ta ring date mình đủ anh last color rồi sang đi mà rồi đấy. Okay, so let me tell you my date. Actually, my date was just myself. So I was trying to spend some time by myself, and I wanted to go on a date with me. So usually we get really busy in our life, or we're always engaged with our own stuff like social media and like all the stuff, and we don't really get time to, well, we get time, but we don't try to spend that time on ourselves. So I was like, okay, let's go for a date and explore to the places where I wanted to be. So that cafe was one of my favorite, and I always wanted to go there like every week. But recently my work became really busy, and then I couldn't take out time to go there. So today I went there, and I didn't really expect to meet anyone, but my friend, she came over like all of a sudden out of nowhere, so we had some time. And all I want to convey through this message, through this video is sometimes just give time to yourself and just cherish and acknowledge and reflect on how your life is going, how your health is, how you and the people around you doing, and think about your goals, your dreams, and how far you are, and try to motivate and encourage to yourself instead of receiving the inspiration from others, because we all have that strength in us that we could do something better, we could do something which we wanted to be. So instead of finding your happiness in other people, or instead of just finding motivations or inspirations, encouragement from other people, just try to build it within yourself first, and then obviously you will find and reach to the place where you want to be. And it will also help you to get to know you better. So that's my message, and to be honest, I had a great day, and yeah, I really acknowledge what I have done, and I'm really grateful to all the people around me and all the people like you supporting my videos. And yeah, stay tuned and stay healthy. Put your health first in 2021, and yeah, take care and see you in the next video.